Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are doing ending 6 as we promised. Last time I didn't do it with the episode because my laptop was lagging so hard and I was late for my push-up. Like I am today, but today we have time to make this. So let's just watch it together. Last one was so good. I think it grew on me so hard. It's now like on par with the first ending. My first ending was my favorite. But now ending 5 is also there, up there too. I'm so curious about this. Let's see. Yeah, let's do it. Ooh, this is nice. Again with the stairs, I see. Loop. Again, stuck in the loop. This is nice. Oh, this is sad. I like that the ending symbolizes what happened in the episode and where we are now. I'm super excited about the next episode, guys. Yeah, the blood. Oh my god. Oh, Gino! Oh, this is so good. I like it. I think this one will grow me too. I'm not sure. But I think this one will grow me too. I'm not... Now it's not like... Right now it's not like the best thing. But I think it grew me. Like the last one did. Yeah, it was super good. It's nice. I think I'll watch it several times more to decide. And I'll tell you guys next video, as always. So yeah guys, tell me your favorite ending up till now in the comment down below. I want to know. And yeah, please guys stay safe and I see you guys next time. Bye.